Hi there, this is Esperanza Santillana. Welcome to my channel. To all my subscribers, viewers out there, as well as for my future subscribers, hello there. In this video, I'm going to help you, guide you on how to create an online appointment for your coming board examination. Whether it is licensure examination for teachers o kung anuman pong board examination po ang ititake po ninyo mga ma'am and sir. Kaya kung handa na po kayong makinig, manood at matuto, just sit back, relax, and just keep on watching till the end. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started. Lahat-lahat ba ay may Leris PRC account na? When you have already your Leris PRC account, you just need to log in, and for those who doesn't have yet, please watch first my previous video on how to create your Leris PRC account. I will put a link on the description down below for you to learn how to create your Leris PRC account for you to proceed on this process for your coming board examination. Okay guys, for those who have Leris PRC account already, let's proceed to your Leris PRC account. You just need to scroll down below if you're using your mobile phone. Then, click Select Transaction. After that, you need to fill in the online form with all the information you need to provide. And then, second, select what is the name of the examination you are going to take. If you are a teacher, then you need to click Professional Teacher. Third, if it's your first time to take the board examination, you need to select First Timer. Fourth, for the date of examination, make sure to choose the correct month, year, or date. Then fifth, select the place where you want or prefer to take your board examination. Sixth, if you're not 18 units earner, just click No. Then, you need to select your L.E.T level and your major. Seventh, and if you're BEd or elementary teachers, you just need to select elementary level, then click Proceed. Eighth, if you wish to know what are the list of requirements, you just click the list of requirements for examination. Then, you need to select the PRC branch for your appointment place. After that, before you're going to pay your transaction, try to check all the information you provided to make sure na tama lahat ng information yung nailagay nyo pong information bago po ninyo bayaran po ito. And then ninth, after you finish checking, pay your transaction using your preferred payment method such as GCash, Paymaya, o kung ano man po yung payment method po yung gagamitin po ninyo. 10th, once your payment is confirmed, go to your existing account. Then, you need to download the documents there. Additional po pala, I forgot. If you're an 18 units earner, you need to click Yes. Then, select your L.E.T level. Then, select your L.E.T major. After that, search for your school you attended. Then type in the box the name of your school where you graduated, the degree that you have. Then, you need to type the year you graduated of that degree or course. Take note po, dapat habang maaga pa lang po ay nakapag-file na po kayo para makakuha po kayo kaagad ng slots from the place near you po. Kung open na po yung filing of your board examination. Be always updated po. Always visit the official website of your PRC regional office or their Facebook official page para lagi po kayong updated. May mga teachers din po kasi akong nakilala at nakausap before on the day of my PRC appointment day to get my NOA or Notice of Admission na galing pa po sila sa malalayong lugar po. Dahil wala daw pong slots from the place where they came from. Kasi akala nila ay always lang may slots. Yun pala, limited slot. Slots lang po, each series or places po. Then, some others reason is pahirapan po sa pag-login doon po sa inyong Leris PRZ account. Bakit kaya? Siyempre kasi marami pong nag-a-apply for licensure board examinations. That's why there are times na kailangan po talaga nating magtiyaga para makapag-login sa inyong PRC Leris account. 10 p.m. or madaling araw po, basta mga patay po na oras, madali lang po kayong makapasok po doon. Or madali lang po kayong makapag-login sa inyong Leris PRZ account at makakuha po ng slots, malapit lang po sa inyong place. Reminders po, once again, kapag nakakuha na po kayo ng slots for your appointment day going to PRZ, for your coming board examination, you need to go to your existing transaction, then you need to download your documents, and you need to print it using A4 size of bond paper. Nawa po ay may natutunan po kayo from this video and for my experience. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.